All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the dumbbell rack, and we're going to get to the dumbbells in just a second. RitFit right here. Very easy to put together. The stand came in a few different pieces. Everything is very well packaged as well. And then our nice little slots here for our dumbbells. Again, this is a 5-tier rack. You have anti-slip area here. Nice little RitFit logo right there in the middle. High quality metal with nuts and bolts all the way around it. Nice little V-top, as we can see right here, coming around. Now, as we get the dumbbells out, again, just like all my videos, top link in the description box right below the video will be this exact same dumbbell set by RitFit, where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video is done. Again, I know I just stated it, but very high-end construction metal. And let's get these dumbbells out and get working out. For example, here are the 35s, and these are in individual boxes inside another box and bubble wrapped as well. They did a great job packaging these. Alrighty, folks, very impressed with the dumbbells. I love the handles. They curve in, nice and grippy as well. I have very large hands, and it's a beautiful fit here. I don't like too much length in between, and this is absolutely fantastic where it gives you enough. And again, I have super large hands. We have 35 labeled right on it right here, as well as this side here right there. So it's labeled on both sides. I got the 35 in the bottom rack right there, as we can see, looking really sharp. And of course, you can easily stand them up like this as well in between your sets. Alrighty, let's take a look at the rack, all loaded up, looking absolutely fantastic. Now, we are in my temporary gym. This is the unremodeled section of my house. As you can see, all my gym equipment in the background here. And this rack is going to look absolutely fantastic when I do finish my garage shop gym. Here is the opposite side here. Sleek, black, looking absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's take a closer look here. Again, we have all our numbers on the outside: 35, 25, 15, 10, and 5s up top right here. So let me just give you a little demonstration here. You lift it out and you chuck it back in, silent. The rack is not gonna wobble on you. Let's do that with the 35. You re-rack it. Just watch your fingers if you're going to be doing it, because again, this is metal. Even though this is a plastic cover over that metal to protect the weight handle. Let me give you a closer shot here, as you can see it right here. Just like any rack, do be careful, because if you go to re-rack it like this here, no matter what rack, no matter what gym, just be careful and realize what you're doing. Don't pinch your fingers, etc. But nice and sturdy. Now, some of the dumbbells are going to be oiled for that black color. It does look like the tins were not oiled by the factory. That's why they look a little bit more faded than these ones here. But again, just grab some rubberized oil and go ahead and rub that on if you do have a set. All the other ones look absolutely fantastic. I did notice that, though, unpackaging a few of them, where you might want to grab a cloth and just wipe down the handle. A little bit of that oil might have got on there before your first workout. Alrighty, typically I work out in the evening time, so I am looking forward to putting these to the test this evening. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, been using the weights for several weeks now. Definitely like them, and I'm going to tell you why here in just a splitsy here. So I got my bench. I am barefoot. I just laid down my brand new gym mat. Don't really feel like getting it too dusty and dirty with shoes, but I've been having great workouts with the weights, not having to unscrew my old school ones. I'll show you in a second here. But I've been doing some nice flies with the 35s. Great for warm-up, shoulders, bringing it down, and just getting those nice flies. Of course, chest press as well. And then getting some nice curls in as well. Sometimes I like to go in the incline bench position and then go ahead and go down. And then keeping my core stabilized with my feet out like this. And then coming straight up and curling like that. Again, loving the size of the rack here. It doesn't take up too much room over in my corner. It's organized. It looks good. The 35s are very nice. I'm a thinner, leaner guy, so I like to do flies with 35s, and then sometimes I just crank out like 4 sets of chest, 15 reps with the 35s. And again, going up, don't even need to re-rack them. Take them and do shoulders. And then you can even mix it in with some Arnold presses. Of course, hammers, keeping that core nice and straight. Curls, regular curls. Most of the time I either sit down or I engage my core and stand up. Re-racking, super easy. Grabbing the 15s and doing some lateral raises. Even doing some forearms. Get those rock climbing arms. Re-rack. Super simple. Grabbing the 35. Some nice squats. Don't know if you can see my head when I go all the way up. Engaging that core. The weights are absolutely fantastic. So let me show you what I was using. I was using these old school ones here. The handle was more straight, where the dumbbells have that nice curve to them here, a better grip on the handle. And with these, if I wanted to go from 35 to 30s, guess what I gotta do? Both sides. I gotta unscrew this, pop these weights off, screw it back on. It would come loose. I'd have to re-tighten them every couple sets. These dumbbells are so much better. Re-racking, grabbing the 25, grabbing the 15, you name it. And they've done a great job. I'm very impressed with the dumbbell set. Now folks, just like all my videos, top link in the description box below will be this exact same set of dumbbells. The company actually offers a couple different sets. This is the 180-pound set, but if you want to go larger, different weights, they offer that as well. Top link in the description box below. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech related videos, DIY home projects, and more. Once again, top link in the description box below. My name is Chris and I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.